Hello everyone again, welcome to another Fusion360 tips. In this video we're going to continue in our Modify tab, and in today's video we're going to go over split face and also split body. You can use this tool for squares, cylinders, spheres, cubes, whatever you want to do. So basically we'll just get into how you go about doing it right now. So basically what you can do is, we'll show an example by this box. We're going to have to right click, create a sketch, and what we'll do is take a spline. We'll go ahead and use some crazy geometry here, hit enter. We now have a profile of which we want to split the box. So as we can see here, we'll go over to our split face, and as you can kind of see here already in the example in this box, it shows kind of what we did here. You can use regular lines, you can use other profiles, but in this case we're just going to do how it shows in this box. So we're going to hit split face, and what this does is we're going to split the face that we're on right here. And we're going to go ahead and select it, and now we're going to go to our splitting tool, and we're going to hit select, and we're going to highlight this path, and as you see, it puts through a red line this thing, and it highlights, it goes all the way through. So what this will do once you hit OK is it now splits the face, and now we can do is select one of the faces we want, hit extrude, and boom, we can now extrude inward by that profile that we wanted to. We can cut, we can join, intersect new body, you can do all sorts of stuff. So in this case we're going to go ahead and cut, and now you have a profile in which you were able to extrude. That was kind of a crazy one. I believe you should be able to split these up also by the, so if you do split face, we would click this one, splitting tool would be this one, it would go and it would split this face as well. I'm not sure if it would work for the top. Let's try it. Go here or select. Doesn't look like it would work, but anyway, you have to be on the same, I guess, plane as the squiggly line. So what we'll do for our split body, which is a little bit different. Now split body, as it sounds, is very similar to split face, although we're going to split the whole body. So as you see here, we're going to select this whole thing here, and we're going to do the splitting tool, and as you see, it does the same thing. However, it cuts through the whole object instead of just the face. It goes all the way through. So now these are two separate bodies that you can separate. As you go over here, you can make them visible or get rid of them. So very neat tool. You can, like I said, you could use it on spheres, cylinders, really whatever you need to make a intricate design or cutout in. Very useful indeed. That is pretty much basic. There might be some more things that we could have gone into, but as always, we want to keep these videos short. So hopefully this was helpful. Guys, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, get engaged, and thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative.